Hi there, my name is Dolores Van Bogard, and I am going to show you how to wash your outside windows by using some of Norwex's awesome products. I like using this Enviro wand because this allows me to reach really high to knock off all the cobwebs that have collected over the winter. I use Norwex's mop system, both the wet head and the dry head. You'll need to get the mop base brackets, which actually click onto the back of the mop, as well as a spray bottle with some water and a Norwex car cloth. So when you get Norwex's floor system, you're gonna see that it has these little dots here that you can actually just squeeze the head and pull out the base. When you buy Norwex's Enviro wand, it has the exact same attachment. So you just squeeze it, pull it apart, and you can attach the Enviro wand onto the bottom of your mop base, which is gonna give you a nice high reach for any of those ledges that you wanna be able to clean with the mop, with the Enviro wand. Norwex's Enviro wand can be bent for going around ceiling fans or getting down your lint trap, or whatever it is around your house if you've got any ledges that you're wanting to dust. For today's purposes, I'm actually just gonna leave it straight because I find that that works well for simply just going around and dusting the edges of my window to get all the cobwebs and dust off of the surface. All right, before you get started, you want to put your wet mop pad on, and this head is actually wet already. And then you just want to lock your base by clicking this up. When you wash your windows, you simply go up and down with the wet mop head, and it removes all the dirt, all the debris off of the window. Next, you take your mop base brackets and you click them onto the base of your mop. Sometimes you actually need to cup these a little bit. They're aluminum, so they're really nice and lightweight. You just kind of have to cup them in your hand a little bit so that they click on. Then you take your car cloth, because your car cloth nicely covers the base of your dry mop pad. So you just wrap it around and push it through the holes. Wrap it around and push it through the holes. Spray water on the face of your window, and then you take your mop with the car cloth wrapped around it, and you only go in an upward motion to polish your windows. So you go over it and nicely polish your windows, and they'll make nice streak-free windows for you.